Hey, this is the voice, this is Minecraft Heroes, and I will be making awesome videos in the future. So, in this video, awesome video, we'll be reviewing about a mod called Ghost Hub. But first, I am gonna show you this wallpaper. As you can see, it has many wallpapers. These are the trendings. It has many trendings. Yeah, it is really cool. As you can see, it's not HD, right? But when you click it, wait a minute. As you can see, it became HD. You just need to make it close, make it more HD. HD, but not too close. Maybe you'll kiss him. Yeah. So, yeah. You can download it here. You can download it here. Search Minecraft wallpaper. And you can see here HDMC wallpapers, and it has an Enderman picture. And remember, HDMC wallpapers, and it is made by Artildon Studio. I will sharing it to you guys to make their wallpapers. Yeah, make the wallpapers cooler. If you share this, maybe they will improve the wallpapers and make it even more cooler than today. So, why am I sharing this? Because this wallpaper is freaking awesome, baby. It's the best. The best. So you can see, it has many 5 stars. Cool. I have the wallpapers. The wallpaper look cool, as you can see. But there is also haters, because they don't know how to use it. There is still bug in this, but if you share this, it will improve very much. So yeah, let's go to our main topic. Let's make this faster, because I don't want to make it long. I am gonna eat, guys, and I made video like 3 times, same video. I hope this one won't fail, because the others do fail. It always crash, but now it didn't crash. So this is just a review. If you want to install the mod, subscribe me. Yeah, and I won't lie to you guys. I will tell you where to download this pack and exactly latest version. I will search latest version. I will find the site and I will give it to you. Just subscribe me. I will not lie, guys. I will promise. I promise, guys. I won't let you down. Just subscribe me. And by the way, tell me who is the first subscriber. Who subscribe me first will receive a prize. Not a prize. Yeah. And the prize is, I will tell my future videos, because I cannot give away, because I still do not know how. And I'm prohibited to do that. I need to learn more about Android to do it. Yeah. If I know how to do it, if I know how to give giveaways, I will give you guys. But for return, you will subscribe me. Yeah, I will tell my future videos like how to install free paid applications, not in Play Store. I will tell the app it is all free. I mean free, you don't need to pay anymore, and it has very cool download speed, like 1 MB per second. It's freaking cool, right? 1 MB per second. How cool is that? I mean 1 MB. Yeah, so let's get on to it. I will just make this short. So saddle up and speed up. These two are the best hack for a server like Lifeboat, because saddle up makes you ride to your enemy and kill them easily. But be careful when you got suffocated by the wall. It's very painful. In speed hack, many users use speed hack in a Lifeboat server, because speed hack is very cool. And not all people use saddle up, even it is more cooler than speed hack, because saddle up will makes you crash when you got 2 kills, but speed hack won't make you crash. You can finish the game with using this hack, but saddle up you cannot finish a game without. Yeah, you cannot finish a game if you are using this. And yeah, that's why they either use speed hack than saddle up. Speed hack, saddle up. Yeah. So you can use this ghost hack in your world and in a server. A little reminder, guys, don't ever check this invisible thing. This made my video fail. It made my game crash like 10 times, and maybe yours too. And my tablet is Android, so it has many hacks here, like hack password, keygen, day and night. You can day and night. Yeah, I can sing, baby. Can change the day or night. Day. Yeah, day. And it has many Pacquiao. So if you want a seed, a free seed, I will give it to you right now. The seed is called, I am telling it to you right now because many people already knew this, but maybe some of the users still didn't know this, like no abusers. No offense, guys. Yeah, you can find Ender Fortress, like Notch Temple, a village. Yeah, 3 kinds. And a cool sand, like blue sand, yeah, brown sand. It's very cool, guys. This seed is very cool. And if you want to find all the locations of the Notch Temple, and their fortress, and the village in Legend of Luok seed, I will tell it to you when you subscribe, comment, and like. By the way, guys, please help me to get 10 likes. But if you can't, guys, it's okay. I will also tell it to you. I need more than 10 subscribers to tell it to you. or either 1, and 1 is the best. Who will subscribe me first, and I will give a prize. The prize is secret. Maybe you'll know it. Maybe you say, yeah, I'll not say it to you. Yeah, bye. And the prize is